students, topic is area of pathways. Okay ma, this is the continuation of the second unit. Actually our second unit is measurement. In this measurement already we have studied about area of the circular, circumference of the circular. Okay, in the chapter measurements we have studied about the circumference of the circle. Okay va, circumference of the circle formula is 2 by r units, and area of the circle. Okay va, area of the circle formula is pi r square square unit. Area of the square is equal to pi r square square units. Now the topic is area of pathways. Okay va, it means here see in inner circle and outer circle, in between we are have some spaces. இந்த spaces இருக்கு இல்லையா, இந்த spaces ஓட ஏரியா தான் இப்போ நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். This is the pathway. ஓகேவா, this is circular pathways. Here area of the circle formula is, so area of the circle formula is by r square, by r square. ஓகேவா, here I mention the capital R for outer circle. Okay, and for inner circle by r square. outer circle la irundhu inner circle minus panta we can have the between places. Okay, the area oda between places namak kadachirum. So by r square minus by r square, by common ah velila eduthana r square minus r square. This is the formula for the area of the circular pathways. So area of the circular pathway, area of the circular pathway is equal to by into r square minus r square square unit. This is the formula. Okay va, likewise rectangular pathway, likewise a rectangular pathway. Rectangular simple, we know the shape rectangular, same by similar to the circular pathway of the similar to the circular pathway. This is the same, but the shape is rectangular. Outer rectangle and inner rectangle. Okay va, in the in between places mark பண்ண places இருக்கு இல்லையா, இதுதான் rectangular pathway. இந்த rectangular pathway ஓட ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது formula. What is the area of the rectangular? Area of the rectangular is L into B. Okay va, now area of the rectangular pathway, rectangular pathway formula is LB minus LB square unit. It means length breadth of the outer rectangle minus length breadth of the inner rectangle. அதாவது பெரிய ரெக்டாங்கிள் இருந்து சின்ன ரெக்டாங்கிளை மைனஸ் பண்ணிட்டா இன் பிட்வீன் பிளேசஸோட ஏரியா கிடச்சிரும். ஓகேவா, திஸ் இஸ் த ஃபார்முலா ஃபார் ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ரெக்டாங்குலர் பாத்வே. Now exercise 2.3 first sum. In the sum, find the area of the circular pathway whose outer radius is 32 cm and inner radius is 18 cm. Okay va, we have to find the area of the circular pathway. area of the circular pathway formula is pi r square minus r square square units. Pi r square minus r square. Here r means outer radius. Okay, va? R. And inner radius is small r. Capital R is 32. Small r is 18. Okay, va? Here pi value is 22 by 7. Pi value is 22 by 7. In the bracket 32 square minus 18 square because of r square minus r square. Because of r square minus r square value. R oda value. Outer radius value 32. Inner radius value 18. So I written 32 square 18 square. Okay, na? Now this is the formula for a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square நம்ம எப்படி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னா a plus b into a minus b னு ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? because we cannot square the 32, it will be huge amount and 18 square கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாக இருக்கும். பெரிய நம்பர்ஸாக வரும். இந்த ஃபார்முலா மெத்தட் யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா ஈஸியாக நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். எப்படின்னு பாருங்கள். 22 by 7. ஓகேவா? 22 by 7 a square minus b square a plus b. Next one is a minus b னு நான் எழுதிக்கிறேன். a square minus b square formula is a plus b a minus b. அதனால a plus b a minus b னு எழுதிருக்கேன். ஓகேவா? now 22 by 7 into 32 plus 18. Answer is 8 plus 2 10, balance 1, 3 plus 4 1 plus 1 5. 50 minus 32 ல 18 subtract பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா 2 12 2 1 40. Sorry, into. If there is a no symbol in between anything, we can consider multiplication. Okay, va? Now 1 2 is 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Balance numbers are 22 into 50 into 2. 22 into 2 44. 44 into 50. 50 into 44. Answer is 4 5s are 20. Balance 2. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 22. And 1 0. Centimeter square. 2200 centimeter square. This is the area of the circular pathway. Second sum is there is a circular lawn of radius 28 meter. A path of 7 meter width is laid around the lawn. What will be the area of the path? Okay, it means radius is 28 meter. Radius is 28 meter. Okay, va? And the width of the path, the path oda width iruklayya, adu 7 meter. Now we have to find the area of the pathway. As usual, formula pi r square minus r square square units. Now we have to find the inner radius and outer radius. Directly they are given a inner radius 28. Okay, va? உள்ள இருக்க சர்க்கிளோட ரேடியஸ் வந்து 28. So pi value is 22 by 7. Okay, va? Here we have the inner radius. For small radius we can written 28 square. What about the outer radius? Outer radius வந்து சென்டர்ல இருந்து இங்க வரைக்கும் total line தானே? The total line. What is the total of 28 plus 7? It's the 35 square. So r square is 35. 35 meter is the radius of the outer circle. 28 is the radius of the inner circle. Okay, va? Same way 22 by 7 into 35 minus 28. 35 plus 28. Okay, 22 by 7 35 minus 28, answer is 7. Okay ba? 7 into 35 plus 28, answer 8 plus 5 13, balance 1 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Now if we cancel the 1 7 is 7, 9 7s are 63. Remaining numbers are 27 into 7 into 9. It means 22 into 63. 63 into 22, answer 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Again 6 2 1 plus பண்ணிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா 6 8 3. So 1386 centimeter square is the area of the circular pathway. Next sum is a circular carpet whose radius is 106 centimeter is laid on a circular hall of radius 120 centimeter. Find the area of the hall uncovered by the carpet. ஓகேவா, ஹாலில் ஒரு கார்பெட் போடுறாங்க. அந்த கார்பெட் வந்து 106, ஹால் வந்து 120. ஆப்வியஸ்லி ஹால் தான் நமக்கு பிக்கர் ஒன். ஓகேவா, ஸோ கேபிட்டல் ஆர் வந்து இட் மீன் கேபிட்டல் ரேடியஸ் radius of the outer circle is 120. Radius of the inner circle is 106. We have to find the area of the uncovered mean pathway. Okay ba? Area of the pathway. It means circular pathway. Okay, area of the circular pathway is equal to pi r square minus r square square units. Pi r square minus r square square units. Here 22 by 7 into outer radius is 120 square minus inner radius is 106 square. 22 by 7 into 120 plus 106, 120 minus 106. So 22 by 7 into 120 106 add பண்ணா 6 2 1 plus 1 2 226 into, if you minus this both, answer is 14. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. If you multiply the numbers 22 226 and 2, answer is 9944 centimeters square. Next sum, the figure shown is the aerial view of the pathway. Find the area of the pathway. Okay, here this is the rectangular shape. We have to find the pathway of the rectangle. A pink color double line இருக்கு இல்லையா, pink color fill பண்ணிருக்காங்கல்ல, அந்த pathway ஓட area கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay, how many rectangles are there? 2 rectangles. Length breadth, this is the inner rectangle. Length breadth, this is the outer rectangle. If we subtract the inner rectangle from the outer rectangle, we can have the pathway of the rectangle. Okay ba? Now area of the rectangular pathway. Area of the rectangular pathway formula is area of the outer rectangle length into breadth minus area of the inner rectangle length into breadth. Okay va? Outer rectangle area 80 into 50. 80 into 50. Okay, minus inner rectangle area 70 into 40. 80 into 50, 8 5s are 40 and double 0, 7 4s are 28 and double 0. If we subtract this 2, the answer is 1200 centimeter square. This is the area of the rectangular pathway.